league season has not yet ended, the All-NBA player and the Inglewood team are still linked, which may be why the Adidas Harden Volume 9 red metallic features team coloring. The Hellcat red and black that take up the most of this shoe's real estate is easily recognizable at first glance, but a pop of royal blue underneath links to the statement attire that the Clippers have worn during Harden's tenure. The fact that this is one of the final pairs of the Volume 9 to adhere to this kind of straightforward general script is noteworthy. As the Harden Volume 9 Fall or Winter slate was revealed by Adidas, the silhouette will shift to a more adventurous style as 2025 comes to an end, incorporating leather siding and snakeskin designs. June 21 marks the release of the Adidas Harden Volume 9 Red Metallic on adidas.com and affiliated stores. The retail price is $160 US.